Machini kendo nyakora mgajonge do kamano kuom medo kete mana kae chendo ni maratil wang'eyo mago motende kod wechego mag thieth wadhi nyake kaunti ma Migori kama migawo mar thieth e kaunti ma Migori oriwore kod kanisa e chako chenro mar lombo ganda mapok okawo chanjo mag Covid-19 mondo jiwre mar kawo chanjogo. Chendo ni ghetto sub counties kaka Kuria West manyaka sani kwan ji mosekawo chanjo tin ni atamalo 23. Apisa mochung'ne jiwo weche mag thieth e kaunti ma Migori James Ogu osingo machopo ne oganda e kar dak ma Kuria West. Report mar migawo mar thieth e kaunti no yango ni atamalo 49 mag ji madongo oseyudo chanjogo karo were manie kind higni 12 nyaka 17 to atamalo 15. Ariyo kende ma osekawo chanjo mar Covid-19.
Sisi ndio imagine ambaye tuko nyuma. Nilikuwa naomba serikali na viongozi wenzangu ambaye mko anafanya kazi na hospitali tuone mikakati ile mikakati ambaye mlifanya mkafaulu Kuria Suna West. Nataka mtumie hiyo mikakati ili tusaidike. Maana percentage ambaye imekuwa imefanywa imedongwa hiyo sindano ya COVID ni ndogo mno.
We have managed to vaccinate 49% of our population. That is 284,841 persons. We had targeted to vaccinate a total of 557,657 persons. That is exclusive of the 12 to 17 years of age who are brought on board later. But as at now, we have strived to get 49% of our target, and that means we are not doing so badly, but we are still doing badly because we have not reached the 50% mark at 8.3%. But through the collaboration of the interfaith, the public, and even the schools, we have managed to get 15.2% of our 12 to 17 years of age. So we are still urging our people, let us work together. Let us, our congregants, when the clergy went to go to the churches, when they preach, they should also bring the issue of COVID.